Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. I'm going to show you how I make a fast and easy liver with lots of onion. Let me show you how I do this recipe. Fast, easy and simple. Let's go.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now I have my liver here, and you want to make sure that your liver is nice and clean. You want to take off the excess strip off of it. Sometimes you buy it in the supermarket already done, sometimes it's not. Make sure you check your liver to make sure that it's cleaned thoroughly. You want to go ahead and cut it up in whatever size that you want to cut it in, and then you want to go ahead and wash it off real good with lemon juice and vinegar. Make sure it's nice and clean, and you're ready to cook. What we're going to be adding to this recipe, tons of onion, of course. I have an extra large onion that I cut this way. Don't chop it up. You want to cut it going in big sizes, basically. Now I'm going to add scotch bonnet pepper to it. I'm going to add some thyme and pimento seed, fresh garlic right there, and one large bell pepper. Sweet pepper, what you want to call it. I'm using the orange one. Use green, whatever color you choose to use. Fine, no problem. And I'm going to add my apple cider vinegar. To spice it up a notch, I'm going to use my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, salt, and black pepper. I'm also going to add some butter to it. And to kick it up a notch, I'm going to add some ketchup. Now, if you don't want to use ketchup, use tomato paste. You don't want to use tomato paste, use spaghetti sauce. Come on, let's get started. Now I have my liver there, which has been nice and clean. Wash it with your lemon juice and your vinegar, and you're good to go. To that, I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning, salt, and black pepper. And all the ingredients will be listed down below. Vinegar goes in. I'm going to add some of that garlic to it. And then with clean hands, you want to go ahead and mix this in. I'm going to let this sit for about half an hour, and then I'll move on to my next step. Now it's been half an hour since we've been marinating my meat. I have my oil on the fire right there, and I have some vegetable oil. You could use whatever oil that you want to use. Make sure you find it on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add my liver in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my spices in. So I add the rest of the garlic in. My bell peppers go in. Pimento seeds. Fresh thyme. If you have dried thyme, you use that as well. Onions go in. Now this is my hot pepper. You could either cut it or you could just leave it in there. I'm going to put it in there because I don't want it to be hot, too spicy. I just want it to have flavor. Butter or margarine, and then you add your ketchup to it. If you don't have ketchup, use pasta sauce. If you don't have pasta sauce, you use tomato paste. Now we're going to cover this up, right? And we're going to cover this up for about 15 minutes. Now it doesn't take long to cook liver, because the longer you cook liver, it's going to get tough. So I'm going to come back here in about 15 minutes and see how far this has gotten. It should take about half an hour to get complete. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this up. And I'll come back 15 minutes. Fire is on medium heat. And then we'll see where this is gone. See you back 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes, that is what your liver is going to look like. This is the perfect time to give it your taste test to see if you need anything extra. Now add no water to it because the liver is going to produce all that natural juice that you need to make it flavorful. I'm just going to go ahead and add just a little bit more black pepper, not much. Top it off with some parsley, fresh parsley, dry parsley, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up back another 15 minutes and I'm good. I'll be right back in 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes on medium heat, your liver is all done. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and shut that off and put this on a plate. There you have it, guys. I'm all done. Liver in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Don't forget to like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see me cook next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.